please stop listening to the information that you receive from others without getting some or doing some research. Do your own research. Now is the time where we just can't rely on this system to just tell us things. We need to know. We need to find out. Dealing with this virus situation, dealing with the lockdown throughout the country, like a lot of people are suffering. A lot of people are doing bad because they are dependent on the system, man. Don't depend on the system. I read a news article this morning that said that the stimulus checks was going to start being released Wednesday. I guess this coming up week. And I know a lot of people are really relying on it. I can't see myself relying on it. Like, if I get it, I'm happy. Hey, thank you. Appreciate it. You know, I can add that to what I got going. But I'm not looking for that. I'm not, going to stop my hustle to wait on them to give me something, I think that's where we have to break the chain there, man. And now it's really getting to that age. It's getting to that time where we got to hustle, man. We got to think outside the box. We got to be willing to go through a little growing pains, get uncomfortable, and really be what we want. We can't wait around on people just to hand us what we need, or to just, or we feel, oh, if I do this and do this, surely they'll take care of me. It don't go like that all the time, You got people that have been with companies for 20, 30 years to get laid off on some BS. And they like, man, I should have been the last person, to lose their job. But that's society, man. This is what we live in America, man. We have to just stay prepared. But one thing I can say, us being welders and fabricators, installers, we are essential. They will always need us, man. I had a guy tell me yesterday, he said, you are very essential. I was like, I know, right? But all I want to say is, man, you got a trade. You got something that you do that you're good in. You are essential. Use your hustle. Hustle yourself. Hustle your skill. Hustle your trades. Hustle what you can do. Use your vehicle. Get mobile. Go to them. Get the bag, man. Now is the time to think outside the box and really make things happen for yourself. No more excuses. Let's figure this thing out. We need some information. Let's go get it. We need some gloves, some face, whatever we need to stay safe and keep getting the bag. Let's keep getting the bag. We got to switch some stuff around. You didn't like the career you was in. Now's the time to switch it up and start getting some money. So it ain't too much about happiness, you know what I mean? As far as, oh, I just want to be happy doing this, but is that getting you money? You need something that's going to make you money so that way you can do what you actually enjoy doing. Hold on.